1. Contact between thrust roller and tire. 2. Hydraulic pressure. 3. Surface check. Monthly. Nitrogen filling pressure at accumulator, filling 70% of working pressure. Shutdown. 1. Condition check of bearing. 2. Check center position of thrust roller, offset bigger than 5 mm, has to be corrected. Set points of hydraulic pressure. 1. 3 to 4 station rotary kill, 100 to 120 bar. 2. Critical pressure limit 170 bar, to secure the equipment, tire, fixation, thrust roller unit. Axial rotary kill movement, time range. Uphill movement, 6 to 8 hours. Downhill, movement 4 to 6 hours. Setting by adjusting of regulating valves. See this video, about rotary kill supporting rollers.